Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Pet Profits. In a previous video, I shared how to create a Shopify form and enable generating leads on your e-commerce store 24 by 7. Now, if you were to get traffic to your e-commerce store by default, if you were getting traffic organically or if you were getting traffic through ads that you were running, you would be getting traffic to your e-commerce store generally. And if that were the case, then your forms would be working 24 by 7. Now, what if you were running specific campaigns on Facebook ads or on Google, for example? What if you were running specific campaigns elsewhere on social media platforms or other traffic sources? Then you would want people to go to a landing page and not your Shopify store nor your product pages. And if you look at a product page, what typically happens is that there is a lot of distraction on a product page. This is not a page people will land on unless they really want to go check out what the product is about and if they have an intent to buy. But in many cases, most people do not sit with their credit card open in their hands waiting to buy something from you. They need a little more goading, they need a little more nurturing, and they need to be ready to make a purchase. And you need to make sure that they are in your marketing system so that you are ready for them to make a purchase. And that's why you have lead nurturing, which is a powerful strategy to ensure that you building up a pipeline as the time goes by, regardless of where your traffic comes from. Organic traffic or be it paid ads, people get in, they sign up to an offer that you're making. That offer could be as simple as a discount. Regardless of what it is, depending on the niche, you must have created something like a lead magnet or a discount coupon. So if they click on it and they sign up, that's when they are part of the marketing system. Start nurturing those leads with emails or SMS marketing that you're ready for them to make a purchase when they're ready to make a purchase. And that's why you build landing pages, so that landing pages offer a clutter-free, distraction-free, and extremely focused experience for people to sign up for that offer that you were making, so that they become a part of your marketing system. And show you how to create a landing page on your Shopify store without really having to use any external Shopify app. So inside your Shopify store here, inside your Shopify store, you have your admin panel. You need to get to sales channels. Click on this little icon. Make sure you're on online store option. Click on pages. If you haven't created a page before, you need to create a page here. Click on add page and give that page a title. This is just for you to remember. Please do note that this particular title will not be shown on the landing page. I'm not going to create this because I've already created one for the purposes of this video. So I have created a landing page that's called First Time Store Discount. Now, the purpose of this landing page is to give away a particular discount code for anybody who's visiting this landing page. The ad also would say that on Facebook ads, for example. So on Facebook ads, I would create an ad that says get 20% off. And when they click on that ad and land on this particular landing page, the story continues, calls it message matching landing pages. So what they saw on the ad, that story is continued on the landing page as well. So this is not where you build your landing page though. Please do also note that you will have a default URL that's created for you by Shopify. Because this is a test store, you are only seeing something like fetchprofits.myshopify.com/pages/test. But if this was an actual store, then this would be yourdomain.com/pages/the name of the landing. If you had multiple landing pages, you would be naming each landing page depending on what that landing page is supposed to be doing for you, and you would name it that way. An example, a specific offer that you could be running during Christmas. This particular page could be called Christmas offer. You could be running Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. Then this could be called BFCM. So you get the idea. So you could have as many landing pages as you want, and you could run specific campaigns through ads or through organic marketing. And this is how you will build out your URLs. So we'll get to the URL part in another video. Go back to sales channels, click on themes, and look for this little icon that says customize. Click on customize and you will get to this section where by default your home page is shown and all of the customizations for your home page are shown here. On the left side panel you have all of the elements that are actually displayed on your home page, and for each of these elements, if you click on it, all of the options that you have to make changes to that element are on your right side panel. So on the left and on the right, you have the tools you need to make changes to your pages, be it a product page, be it a regular page on your Shopify store, or be it a landing page. In this case, because we are working on a landing page, on the top you will find these two tabs here, and this is a drop down menu. If you click on this drop down menu, you will find pages at the bottom here. If you click on this little arrow, Shopify will display all of the pages that you created before. Let's click on it. This is the landing page that we will be building. Now on the left side panel, you have all of the elements displayed, and on the right are the features and options that you have to make changes to each element that is displayed on your left side panel. So the first thing I would want to do with a landing page, this is the best practice for marketing, is that you do not have anything distracting on your landing page. When people land on that landing page, the only thing they see is the offer you're making and a little element are on that landing page that convince the visitor that this is a great offer that they should sign up for. You should not be having your menu, you should not have any extra links, you should not be having any links to your social media accounts, you should not have anything that you normally have on a regular page. We need to hide these elements that are normally found on your regular pages on Shopify store. So on the left side panel, the first one I would want to hide here is the announcement bar. If you hover your mouse on it, you will find that little eye icon, and if you click on it once, your announcement bar is hidden from view. You also have a header section here, which is what normally has your logo and your menu. You click that eye icon and hide that as well. The name of the page is also shown here. Hide that as well. I have a form here which I want to hide it as well. So this form won't be shown. Now you can see that the landing page is almost empty. Start adding sections to ensure that this looks like a landing page. Come to the top here and click on add section to template. When you do that, you have a few options that Shopify provides for you by default. To make it look like a landing page, I'm going to go with the rich text option here. I'm going to add it up. When I click on the heading, you will see the options to make changes to this particular element on the right side panel. This is where you'll change it. So I am going to call it something like, that's your heading, and you can add a subheading, and you can also add a button here, and a button label might just say get 20% discount. Have them purchase this particular product anytime they want. If I have my product ready, paste a link, I could go to products and I can add a product here. You get the idea. This is how you'll go about constructing your landing page, and you'll now add another section. Click on add section to template again by clicking on the little plus icon. Convince the visitor a little more if they're not ready yet to make a purchase. So I'm going to choose image with text, and I'm going to go ahead and make changes to this particular image. So I'm going to come down here, click on this image, go to the right side panel, select an image that I would like to add, click on any image that I would like to add there and click on done, and that image will show up. Now on the right heading, which I can click on and go make changes to this particular piece of text. And then I could add a subheading and a specific button label that goes to that product. I could add another element here, for example, add an element to the section, something like a multi-column. Now I could add some more content here and build out this landing page the way I want it. Click on save on the top right corner as you build this page, and you can also preview this page. You will notice that there is absolutely nothing to distract that person from clicking on anything else except for clicking on your button here. If you like these videos, please do like and subscribe to the channel. If you think it will help others, please do share it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.